This adjustable trailer hitch that was sent to me to review with this cool blue look on it, and it's a nice trailer hitch. You can see here comes with the receiver, goes in here, has two adjustment points. You can see the two holes, so you can make it so it's a raised hitch or drop, and it's really easy to add. There's just a channel right here to put this hitch in, and you have all of these different adjustment points about every inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's up to a 6-inch drop or raise, or just straight off. Goes in nice. This is aluminum, so it's nice and lightweight as well. And looks like a quality paint on it. We have a 2-inch and a 2 5/16 ball, rated to 12,500 pounds, 2 5/16, 8,000 pounds on your 2-inch. There's a screw right in here that you could pop these out with if need be. It has a logo right here with a little sticker. It does go upside down if you put it on the 2-inch. We also comes with this anti-rattle strap here that you can clamp down, make it not rattle. It can be a better option than just the rubber plugs. Also comes with these pins here. Go ahead and get this thing installed. So pretty nice. You have these nice locking pins here with nice knurling. You can see the one is shorter. The shorter one goes on first. So it comes with 2 keys. Nice rubber cap that goes over the end. Put it in here. Comes out. Put this in. Your first adjustment would be about here. Second adjustment right there to get it a little closer. Put the pin through. Do that the other way. And just lock it. So here is the hitch all installed. Works really well. Nice look to it, especially if you have a blue truck. It would add a nice dimension. Doesn't rattle too much. If you're worried about that, you can install this U-bolt and this plate, you know, like such. And then it goes around the channel, tighten everything up so it doesn't rattle. But overall, I like the knurling. I like on the locks, I like that it comes with 2 locks and how easy it is to adjust up and down. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.